Hey guys, this is part 3, and I'm bringing you still some zombies. I'm just going to try the box.
No ammo is no fun.
What can it be? No, I'm not gonna get that. You know what? I don't know. I'm just thinking if I should go buy some ammo or should I go try the box again. Okay, I'll try it a few more times. And then last time, if I don't get anything good, I should have enough for it. Darn it, stupid crossbow. Who knew this would be a movie theater? I'm losing money, I don't know. Are you serious? I don't know, should I really take I love the MP40, but I don't know if I should take that gun. No, I'll just not take it. I'll just get that anyway, I don't care. No, I'm just gonna try one more time. I still have, oh wow, I don't have a turn, okay. I'm gonna kill the crawler. Let's try to get a headshot. Nice. Yeah. I wonder what the box is. Let's check. Yeah, I linked it. Oh, come on, the alley. Okay, then I better save a decent amount of points to get the box. But for now, I have some decent weapons. Galil and FN Val. I don't know why I just did that, but okay. You know what? I'm actually going to try to do this. I'm going to try to do it around here. I love doing it here. I just did it because to change it a little bit, but, you know. So, the only thing is the zombie... Oh, wow. That was good stuff. The zombies are very slow. Look, that's the only problem because they come from there. Ooh, okay. I think I should stop doing that now. Ooh, fire sale. What is that? Oh, it's a... Oh, nice.
We have a special on deck.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. I'm never doing that again. I just try to get a fire sale. Ooh, HK. Nice. Let's use a Galil now.
Fishy, fishy little bug.
Oh, whoa. Yeah, I'm never doing that again. Oh, okay, there's still more. You know what? While I'm here, I'll go link the pad. Is that it? I'm making some crawlers, I guess. Any crawlers? Nope. Ooh, double points. Oopsies. Wow, look at that zombie. It's just headless.
I get double for my effort.
Just kill him. I don't care.
So beautifully painful.
Actually, I have one here. I can go try the box. Yeah, let's go try it. I have an HK. Cool. I have enough for... Yeah, I do. I don't play this map so much, so... Yeah. Not anymore, at least. Seriously, box? Really? Treyarch? HK of turret. Yeah. Okay, one more time and I'm then saving my money because I don't want to waste all my money on this. Oh yeah, now that's my... See, RPK is my gun. Oh yeah, RPK. I'm gonna use my HK and let this run out of ammo first because I don't like the HK too much, but it's a decent weapon. I can stick with it. Okay, I'm gonna make this as my third part.